Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your ConvertKit forms and sign-up pages, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your ConvertKit forms and sign-up pages, begin by logging into your ConvertKit account. Navigate to the Forms section in the dashboard. Identify the form or sign-up page you wish to back up. Click on the specific form or page to open it. On the right side, locate the Settings tab. Select the Settings option to access additional details. Scroll down to find the Embed Code section. Copy the entire embed code displayed. Next, open a text editor, such as Notepad or any preferred application. Paste the copied embed code into the text editor. Save the file with a clear name, such as form_backup_formname.html. Now, return to your ConvertKit dashboard. Repeat this process for each form and sign-up page you need to back up. For a more comprehensive backup, navigate to the Segments section. Identify any segments tied to your forms. Document the segment names and rules by taking screenshots or writing them down. Ensure you save this list in a secure and easily accessible location. Regularly repeat this backup process to ensure you always have the latest version of your forms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.